Alright guys, I'm out front of your house today. It is an awesome 61 degrees today. It's gorgeous. The sky is blue and it's not freezing or raining. So I will take it. I wanted to show you what's been happening in your house. We will go take a look. Let's turn around. Alright, there she is. There are some guys in here working, so I'm not sure exactly what they're working on, but we will find out when we get in here. But looks like they've got your plumbing going. Of course, they're getting your roof on. They still have just a little bit over here over your one-car garage, but they're making progress. I'm going to go in here, check out what's going on. So Chad, when you guys are here, I want you to take pictures of every wall so that you can know for the life of living here what's behind every wall. So when you start to install shelving in your garage, you know that right here, that black pipe water line is coming out right there, and you don't want to puncture that with something. And like on this wall, the other side of your laundry room, so you want to just be sure that you know what's behind your wall. And unfortunately, I speak from experience on that. We years and years ago, in one of our other houses, it was just a pre-owned, and we didn't know that there was a gas line on the other side of a wall that we were hanging something on, and punctured the gas line. So one day I was working and sitting there, and I just heard this little kind of snake sound, and had the gas people come out, and of course we had hit that. So I always want to be sure that people get pictures taken and just kind of know what's going on out there. So here is your living, looking good. Love it. Of course, your fireplace. And while I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and go out in the backyard so you can see what's going on here as well. Here's your patio, backyard. A really nice, huge side yard, how it goes around. Of course, here's your neighbor. Your back fence will tie into this. Go on over, so your fence line will come down here, and then your fence line will come along in here somewhere, so you'll have all of this fenced off. But yes, look at all your windows. They're getting them installed, looking gorgeous. It's going to be beautiful. Let me head over here on the other side and see what's going on. Of course, you know, you'll have a fence that goes right down the middle of the property line between you and your neighbor. So we'll just go right down the center here. That'll be good. Okay, let's go back inside. See what's going on in there. Lots going on. All right, laundry. Here's your island. Plumbing, you got your hot and cold. There's your gas line for your stove. One up there. Here's your fridge. Your water line for your fridge. Office. Back here, your master. I love this window here. I didn't remember this being a part of your plan. That's going to be really nice. Come back this direction. There's your master. This takes you to the little front bedroom. Good. Of course, they will get all this cleaned up quickly. Let's head upstairs. Here's that gorgeous view. I love this. So pretty. is your game room, and then we decked out a little bit here in the attic. Good. Come over here is your media room. Good as well. Just the closet. Feel better now that they have little makeshift railing that they put together. Last time I was out here, there was nothing. It was a little scary. Okay, so here's your bathroom for this bedroom. And then on the other side, it's identical. Can't wait to hear who gets which room. Girl's gonna fight over it. Who gets the front room? And here's this other bedroom. There's that. And this is that large closet. This is where you guys are going to put your sauna. So hopefully it is going to work for y'all. Looks good. And here's that bathroom. Lastly, okay, I'm going to make my way back downstairs. Okay, I made it through, made it all the way down. The guys that were working here left, so I guess they went to lunch, but anyways, it's looking good, guys. I cannot wait to have y'all here and walk this together and check out everything with you and just see your faces and hug your necks. But anyways, if y'all need anything, let me know. Reach out anytime. As you know, hope you're doing well, and I will see you soon. Bye.